Hello, are you ready to read? What is this book called? It's called Greyhound. What does that mean? It means what kind of dog this is, what the dogs do. We'll see. This is the contents. It means the different subjects with different page numbers. Is this kind of dog slow and fat? No. This kind of dog is the fastest. It can run so fast, up to 40 miles per hour. Wow. You see, a human can run 23 miles per hour. A cat can run how fast? 30 miles per hour. And the greyhound can run really fast, up to 40 miles per hour. Whew, that's so fast. Do these dogs smell and then chase following that smell? Nope, these dogs use their eyesight, and when they see something, then they chase it. They can run really fast. Sometimes they do jumping and hurdles and racing. Also, what does this kind of dog do? They race. How do they race? They chase a rabbit. Do you think the rabbit is real or fake? It's fake. The rabbit starts running, and then the dogs line up. 3, 2, 1, go! And they race, and they chase that rabbit. Why do they have a muzzle? Because they don't want the rabbit to get destroyed. These dogs are really, really fast. They run so fast. They take big strides. This dog's body is like a cheetah. Wow, it can run so fast and stretch its legs out. It runs fast. These are racing dogs, but now they're old and they're all done racing. Now they need a new home. Are these dogs mean and growl and bite? No, this kind of dog is nice and they like kids. This kind of dog needs lots of exercise. You could put it on a leash, go walking, go play outside, chase things, and run around. They have lots of energy. And their body is built for speed. They can run really, really fast. The end.